I'm going to make a list, my list. So let's put the elements inside it, like 67, 90, 45, 60, 54 and 10. So these are the elements. We will add all the elements. So let's initialize I as 0 and sum as 0. I'll make a while statement while I is less than the length of my list, and then we'll add the my list of I. Will increment I by 1. Now let's print the sum. So here there is an error because I have given small l here. So let's run it. So you can see 326 is the output. So now we'll make another list. Let's say fruits list, and then we'll add some strings. Let's take mango, orange, let's take apple, and let's take guava. And now we'll make the while statement, while fruits list, okay, and then we'll print fruit list, and we'll pop item, so it will pop the elements from it. So let's print fruit list. So it will first remove the last element like guava, then apple, mango, orange, and finally it has popped the mango, and in the last it has printed the empty list. So let me make I is equals 0, and let's take a word. Let's take it as, let's say, hello. And now we'll print all letters except E and O. So let me make a while statement, while I is less than length of word. Okay, so let's make a if statement. If word of I is equals E, or word of I is equals O, then we'll increment the counter by 1, and we'll make the continue, okay. And let's print return letter, and we'll put the word of I, and we'll increment I by 1. So let's run it. So it is saying H, L and L, E and O is not printed. So now let's make a variable name counter. So we'll make a counter variable, and let's assign 0 inside it. Okay, so let's make a max underscore iteration equals 5. So this is the maximum number of iteration. Let me make a while statement, while counter is less than max iteration. Okay, so it will print the current iteration number. So let me print it like this, iteration, and let's increment the counter by 1, counter, okay, plus 1. And now here also we'll increment counter equals 1. So let's run it. So you can see first it is printing iteration 1, and similarly 2 till 5